This is the Chinese Canadian Roots TV. So today we're going to do a traditional recipe. We started our channel a long time ago, cooking my mom's village recipes. So today we're doing Chinese steamed salmon with basic bean sauce. So this is soybean base. So simple recipe, really tasty for you to enjoy. So lightly put some cornstarch. Put a small amount of cornstarch on the fish. So here we have just odds and ends of salmon. So you can buy the salmon in a package. They have the odds and ends, the fins, the different pieces of fish from different parts of the fish. And it's actually quite tasty because you have some of the underbelly and different parts of the fish. So this is a Chinese bean sauce. It's a soybean based sauce. So just sprinkle maybe a tablespoon on the top of the fish. So you mix the bean sauce into the fish. So this is a good brand. I like this brand. It's a more traditional brand. So this brand is Kunchan. Kunchan is a good brand. It's a more traditional brand. There's lots of intense flavor in this sauce. Some of the other sauces are not as intense, so I like this brand, Kunchan. So put about a tablespoon, maybe a little more if you like it a little more salty. Next you put about a tablespoon of chopped ginger, tablespoon of chopped garlic. So when you steam it, it also brings out a lot of flavor. And you can use this for steaming halibut as well. Steam other kind of fishes, so it's whatever you like. So you put a little salt in there if you like. We use a natural Himalayan salt. So Himalayan salt is quite salty compared to other kind of salt. So we put less of the salt. And then you put a little oil. So this is peanut oil. Put 2 or 3 tablespoons of peanut oil. Okay. So my mom's just going to steam the fish here. So this steamed salmon with bean sauce will take about 20 minutes to steam. Add a little more time if you need it. Also, you don't need to stir it up. If you want to stir it up to make sure everything's cooked, you can do that as well. Calm down. So I say steam the salmon for about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer if you need it. So the salmon has been steaming pretty good here. So you see, it's last 5 minutes. You put a handful of green onions in there, 1 or 2 handfuls. This will add a little color. So we're just going to cover the salmon for the last 5 minutes, and then you can serve your salmon. Let's have a look. Ooh, look at that, look at that. This is Chinese village style steamed salmon with bean sauce, the soybean sauce. Enjoy. So I'm going to give the salmon a try here. So this piece has a bit of the belly, so it'll be nice and oily. So this whole dish of salmon is for $5. You can feed a whole family. Mmm. Wow, that fish is good, tender. Lots of flavor from the bean sauce and the ginger and the garlic.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.